time for something completely different. Today, I'm working on a 1962 Chrysler 300. Came in for a transmission fluid leak. I've already figured out that the door doesn't shut correctly unless you put the door handle down, and the parking brake doesn't work, and it smokes really bad. So maybe we'll do some more stuff to this, but let's get the transmission fluid leak fixed first. Basically, the customer just wants seals put in it. I'm probably going to put a front pump bushing in it as well, because that's probably why the front seal is leaking. So let's get the tranny out and get new gaskets and seals on. My lord, it's an air-conditioned car. No way.
Yeah.
Look at the size of that air compressor. It takes like half the engine compression, half the engine horsepower to turn that compressor.
Let's just smack on top.
Covered in goo after this transmission. God, you could probably make a modern car out of this bumper. It's like an 1/8 inch thick.
Yeah, try denting that.
Talk about a push bumper. Ooh, that needs a fuel pump. A lot of times these fuel pumps will leak internally, so they'll leak fuel into the engine oil, and then that deletes the engine oil, and then you end up losing your engine because the oil gets run too thin. You got to be careful about the fuel pumps leaking internally. Normally they'll come out of fuel, you'll get fuel out of the weep hole, but this isn't a poly. I don't remember. Look it up. What came in a 1962 Chrysler 300? Let's find out. 62 to 64 Chrysler 300, 1962 through 1964. Engine is a 383 3.6 liter V8 or a 413 6.8 liter V8 with a 3-speed automatic manual transmission. It's automatic, but it's manual. So you have to push
buttons. Manual buttons.
Manual push button.
383 or 413.
Yeah, I don't know which one. That's not a poly. So this is like a big block from back in the day.
She's looking.
She's more of a. More like a colander than a.
Not so much here as it is here.
I'm a little bit afraid to touch any of these bolts, honestly. I'm not gonna lie.
Well, the good news is if you coat them in grease for 20 or 30 years, they're not rusted.
The irony is that the older cars, the metallurgy was such like true raw U.S. steel that it's like I had a 51 Ford pickup. Every bolt came out of it without a problem. I literally can clean them all up. Take the transom out. Get one of those.
I might as well just start with this.
Yeah. Good work. Well, let's go ahead and get the tranny out. It's not too bad on this. Say that with lackluster. I'll have this out in like 3 days. Oh, I need to wear a bodysuit. This one, oh, I bet it needs an idler. I need even want to touch it with the rag. Yeah, these idler bushing. Oh, it just dripped on my face. Don't stand under the leaky spot. We'll see if he wants to do some suspension work. Let's get it less leaky. That's unique. Gun than that, or put it on a higher setting anyway. Whew, I need my glasses on this one. Definitely need my glasses on this one. That's what I get for using chrome sockets on the tool. It's raining rust. Trans jack, take off the cooler lines. Oh, got a push button cable on this one. That's gonna stink. That's different than the other one I did. Carb linkages. Starter. Oh, I should probably disconnect the battery. That's probably a good place to start. Ooh, needs a U-joint. Ooh, needs a boot. Those boots is torn. Piece at a time. Oh, it's probably not going to come loose. It snapped. Oh, it came loose. That's good. Good start. Hand don't fit in there. There we go. Lines are off. Let's pull that down. I don't know if I gotta pull him. I may have to pull him on the inside. I don't know. Oh, I just lost a light. Plug him in. Air bolts. Oh. I'm going to guess we're going to need some new park brake shoes. Oh. Oh, there they are. So let's put some park brake shoes on the list of things to get. That's probably the real asbestos stuff. I should probably have a breathing mask on for that. Those shoes are completely gone. Now, let's see if we can get our park brake cable out. Oh, golly, it's coming right at me. Yikes. Oh, there's the gravity taking its toll. Oh. Come on. You're gonna come out of there. I promise you are. One way or another, I'm gonna win. I just haven't accepted that yet. Oh, there we go. So, now that that's out, and I've already disconnected our shift cable. That just comes, you pull the pan off and there's a spring-loaded clip that holds it on. So that was easy enough. I can see you. Can't get you to come loose. Go in. Not on that one at any rate. Got that one. It's on a spring. It's interesting. It's got a spring-loaded trans. That guy, I'll just leave him there. Pull my 2 bell bolts and get this thing out. These batteries are like 180 bucks. It's what is it right now? May? And they're actually doing a special where the battery's free with the purchase of a tool. I've actually had this gun for over 5 years, and it's been a good tool. It's certainly paid for itself, but I don't know that I want to buy another one yet. This one still works. Well, I guess a positive to everything being coated in grease is that all the nuts and bolts came loose. We're ready to drop this thing down and out. Put a brace under my engine to make sure it doesn't go all wonky on me. Get one of my calibrated tools out. Oh, it's just the right size. Hey! That's a win. Well, she's definitely been slinging some oil. I think the seal's cut. If it's not cut, it's going to be cut after I play with it. Oh, it's brittle. It's completely brittle. Well, the seal's what's leaking. It's brittle. We're going to put all new gaskets in it. So anything on the outside that has a gasket, it will get replaced. That guy's super brittle. Like, it's hard as a rock. So not too surprising that it's leaking. So that'll be the next step. We'll tear this trans down. You can't see my face. Oh, it's okay. I'm not that attractive. So this seal is dry and it cracks when I poke at it. So it's going to need a new seal, among other things. But we'll pull it apart, put some new gaskets and seals in it, and then we'll see what we need to do from there. I'm probably going to put seals in every spot in this thing, even though it runs and drives. But the question is, if that seal is that dried up, what are the rest of the seals going to do as soon as we start putting this thing into heat cycles? I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe, leave us a comment below. We appreciate you guys coming along for the ride on the cars we work on here in Central Ohio. We appreciate you guys a lot. You guys have a great day. Stay safe out there. Oh, that one made me dirty.